Unwrapping the Secrets, Timing and Presentation in Gift Giving. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of business etiquette. Have you ever wondered about the right timing or presentation when giving a gift in a business setting? Well, today is your lucky day. Timing and presentation are crucial aspects of gift-giving etiquette, especially in the business world. In many cultures, there are specific occasions when giving a gift is expected, while in others, it might be seen as a bribe or inappropriate. Timing is all about choosing the perfect moment. 1. Initial meetings. It's common in some cultures to present a small gift during a first business meeting as a token of respect and goodwill. 2. Holidays. Recognizing and respecting local holidays can be a smart move. Giving gifts during important holidays can show that you value and respect the other party's traditions. 3. End of a deal. After sealing a business deal, it's sometimes customary to exchange gifts as a sign of mutual appreciation. Gift presentation can be just as important as the gift itself. It's all about how you offer the gift. 1. Wrap it up. A gift that is nicely wrapped shows effort and consideration. A sloppy presentation might reflect badly on you, even if the gift inside is thoughtful. 2. Include a card. A personal note can go a long way. It adds a personal touch and can clarify the intent behind the gift. 3. Hand delivery. Whenever possible, try to give the gift in person. It makes the act more genuine and allows you to see the recipient's reaction. Even with the best intentions, it's possible to make mistakes. Here's what to be cautious of. 1. Overly expensive gifts. They can be seen as bribes or make the recipient uncomfortable. 2. Inappropriate gifts. Always research cultural norms. What might be a common gift in one culture might be inappropriate or offensive in another. 3. Too frequent. Continuously giving gifts can dilute their meaning, or even seem like you're trying too hard. Gift giving in the business world can seem daunting, but with the right knowledge on timing and presentation, you can navigate it like a pro. Remember, it's the thought and effort behind the gift that counts the most. Here's hoping this video helps you make your next business gift a resounding success. Until next time, happy learning!